Now we will speak about dictionary and for cycle. So how we can use a for cycle for dictionary. So let's create some dictionary. For example, car, and the car has brand. For example, Tesla. After that will be model 3. After that year 2023, and let's say electric true. Okay, so here I just change the quotes and let's go. Okay, so we have our dictionary. We know that this is the key, this is value, key, value, key, value, key, value, and we can work with dictionary by for cycle. So here I will write it like this. So what happens if I write something like for example, X in car? So the question is, what is in X? Maybe it can end with error, with some mistake, or it can end that in XR keys, or maybe values. We don't know. So let's see. I will run it, and we can see there is brand, model, year, electric. So it means there are keys. So the better way is to change the X to key. Okay, so this is how you can print out or work with keys with for cycle. Okay, perfect. I will put here some separator just like that, and now we have how we can print out values from the dictionary. So we know the key, right? So it isn't so difficult because we know that Tesla, we will print out by like car and brand, and we know the brand because it's stored in key, correct? So we can just write something like this, and we know that key is brand, after that model, after that year, after that electric. So we just print car, and we need to print a key, so the key of the car. So if the key is brand, so it means car brand. And what is car brand? It's the value Tesla. So if I will run it, you will see that we have values here. Tesla, Model 3, 2023, true. Perfect. Now I would put the separator here again. And now we have a different option how to write something like this. So also, yeah, how to work with key and values at the same time in one cycle. So we can write for key value in car, but there has to be items. So it means it take these two things, and brand will be in key and Tesla will be in the value. And after that, in the second round, the model will be stored in key and model 3 will be value. After that, year is key, 2023 will be value, and so on and so on. So now we will print it something similar, so something easy, something like, I don't know, key colon value, something like this. Okay, it's up to you what you will print out. So I will run it. You will see brand, Tesla, model 3, year 2023, electric, true. Perfect. So now maybe the question is, what is car item? So we will see. I will print car items, and you will see it's this. So it's a list of some pair. So it means brand and Tesla. So that's why the brand and Tesla is brand is here and Tesla is here. After that is model 3. So model is here, model 3 is here. Okay, so this is only pairs of the key and the value. We call it tuple. Tuple is another data type. We haven't spoke about it yet, so we will speak about it later. So is this, okay? So the car items, and that's this is the reason why you can take the car items and separate it to the key and value, because it's possible to take these pairs, brand and Tesla, and separate it like key, brand, value, Tesla. Okay, but that was only example. What is it? Okay, for us it's important that we can use car items in the for cycle and separate the key and value of the dictionary. Perfect. So now we know how to work with dictionary and with for cycle.